Hey, my friends, welcome to Miss C's Bakery. And today we have orders of cookies coming in that we need to fill. And guess what? They're all teen numbers. So what I did is I took out one of my baking sheets from my house and I got out a dry erase marker and drew two 10 frames on them. Now, here's the big thing though that I need you to remember is if you're gonna do something like that, you need to ask mom or dad or grandma and grandpa's permission, okay? Because not all markers erase and come off easily. So you can either draw on it or you could even get out some masking tape or painter's tape and tape on a 10 frame on it, or just use a piece of paper and lay it on top of your cookie sheet, okay? And then you can get out real life cookies, or you could even, if you want to draw, I drew some of my own, okay? And what our job is as these orders come in, we're going to break them apart into a group of 10s plus 1s, looking at our 10s and then our 1s, and then adding that all together to equal the teen number, okay? So we're gonna get started. So our first order is the number 14. I would like 14 chocolate chip cookies, please. So we're gonna figure out how we can break apart this 14. That's how many we're gonna have all together. It comes after our equal sign. So first step, boys and girls, is we make the cookies, right? We put in some sugar. We put in some flour. We put in some eggs. Crack, crack. We put in some butter, melted butter, and we mix it up. And then we put in some chocolate chips. Mix it up some more. Roll it into the balls and then put them on the cookie tray. Here we go. All right, they got to bake. So let's show 14. Here we go. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, oopsies, 10. Doing some double stacks here. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we have 10. Okay. And then we'll show 14. 1, 2, okay. All right, so we have 14. So let's count the fast way, friends. We go like this. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Great job. Okay, so let's write our number sentence. So our first group is the top 10 frames. And our top 10 frame, how many do we have? Do I need to count one by one? 1, 2, 3. No, if it's all filled up, we know that there are 10. So on the bottom here, we write 10 plus, how many do we have in our bottom 10 frame? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 10 on top plus 4 on the bottom equals, how many have we all together? 14. So remember, when we write the 14, we steal the 1 from the 10. And we bring over the 4 to put in the 1's place, and that gives us 14. Let's do another example. Boys and girls, our next order for cookies that have come in is 17. 17 chocolate chip cookies. Remember, all of our teen numbers always start with a 1. I cleared off the bottom. It's quicker for us, right, if we start at the top, because we know already that I have how many cookies out here? 10. So let's see how many more we need to add to get to 17. So we'll count on from 10. So when after 10, when I count, comes 11, right? When I'm counting, and we'll stop at 17. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Great, great, great. Okay, so now what we're going to do is write a number sentence. So once again, how many do we have on top? Great job, 10. So let's all write 10 together. Plus, how many do we have on the bottom, boys and girls? We can count one by one, but remember the fast way, if we count 5 across, right? Like we have 5 fingers on one hand, we go 5, 6, 7. Do that one more time. 5, 6, 7. So is that how many? So we have 10 on the top plus 7 on the bottom. That's not how many we have all together, right? Just on the bottom. Equals how many we have all together? I have 17 written. Let's prove it by counting the fast way. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. All right, now let's show on the bottom where we got the numbers from for our 17. So we take the 1 from the 10 and bring over the 7, and that makes 17. Okay, next order is 12. 12 chocolate chip cookies, please. All right, time to get our order ready. So again, we fill up our top 10 frame. That's 10. We count on from 10. 11, 12. Look how speedy we are, friends. That is so cool. All right, so help me write the number sentence. What do I write first? What should I do? You're right. I write a 10 because that's how many cookies I have on my top 10 frame, right? It matches the name, 10 and 10 frame. Okay, what is this called? Yes, an addition sign or plus. Plus our other group, right? How many are in our other group, boys and girls? 5,000? No, 1, 2, great job. Equals, what does equals tell my brain? That's right, count how many we have all together in both groups. One group here, cookies, the second group of cookies here. All together we have what? 12, great job. Let's count the fast way to 12. 10, 11, 12. So 10 plus 2 equals 12. We bring over what? The 1 and the 2 to make the 12. Great job. Okay, our last order of the day is probably the trickiest one yet. But I bet you guys are saying, you can't trick me, Miss C. Oh, I'm gonna try. So our last order that I would like is, I would like 10 chocolate chip cookies, please. So let's write 10. Okay, so I'm looking at the cookies I have already. Do I need to add or take away any cookies? No, there's 10 right here, right? We have 10 altogether. So do I need to add any at the bottom of 10 frame? No, I don't. So then how do I write this as an addition sentence? Well, let's start off like what we always do, right? How many do we have on top? That's the pattern we see every single time in this gray box. We're always gonna have that 10. We always are gonna have one group of 10. Plus, then how many cookies do I have on the bottom? I'm just looking at the bottom 10 frame. There's nothing there, right? What number means nothing? Excellent job. 0 means we have none at that bottom. Equals, what does that mean? It equals I have 0 left? No, how many do I still have all together? Because that's what the equals tells me. 10, exactly. So 10 plus 0, or 10 plus nothing, equals 10. So again, just like we saw with our other numbers, we take the 1 from the 10, we bring the 0 over, equals 10. Great job, boys and girls. Try this out at home.